What's up, YouTube? This is a 2014 GMC Acadia, and this is going to be the same for the Buick Enclave, the Chevy Traverse, and the Saturn Outlook. And this problem happens on multiple years, and I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Basically, it's really strange. You go to get in your vehicle one day whenever it's dark outside, and both of your headlights aren't working. So your driver's and your passenger's headlights not working. And the brights don't work either. And the only thing that'll work is the driving lights down here on the bottom. If you turn those on, those will come on. And the LED strip that's not really a headlight, but it's just, I guess you'd call it part of the marker light right here, that will come on. But your headlights will not work at all on normal or on bright. Now, this is really odd. And of course I thought, well, it must be a damn fuse or relay or something that's blown, and that's probably my issue, because there's no way that both of the headlights could possibly burn out at the exact same time. I mean, that's highly unlikely, right? Well, it turns out you can check your fuses and your relays if you want, but it turns out both the front headlights burn out at the same time. And this is a common issue on these vehicles. So basically what you're gonna have to do is order new headlights. And as you can see right here, the OEM ones are pretty dang expensive. They're actually really expensive. And these are the OEM ones. But linked up in the description below, so click in the description below, you can get these that are going to be brighter and actually work better than the stock ones, or this type of bulb that you get at the auto parts store. So these are like LED ones, and they got a fan to cool them and everything, and they're way brighter and are going to work way better for you. And I think they're only about comes out to be like $15 a bulb, about between 30 and 40 bucks. And I've linked up these, which are going to be your best and cheapest option, that are between, I think I got them on sale, so I'm not sure if they'll still be on sale, but they'll be between like 30 and 40 bucks. You can't beat that. And then how the hell do you change them? So I'm going to save you some time. Obviously, you see I've taken off this whole skirt here and taken out the air filter and top of the air filter. And I kind of wanted to clean out the air filter anyway, but none of this is actually necessary. The way that you're going to get to it, and it's awful to get to. I hate working on this vehicle. Everything, the way that it's uses these stupid clips, and oh my gosh, I just hate it. But anyway, if you crank your wheels to the right, then there'll be some Torx heads that are on your fender inner wheel well right here. As you can see, got those Torx bolts. And then if you take off this one, this one, this one, and that one, and then there's another one underneath here, and then there's some snap deals that you can take out too. And actually on the other side, this side's actually already done, because before I made a video, I wanted to make sure that this was actually the issue. I was about 90% sure, but you know, before you make a video, kind of want to make sure you know what the hell you're talking about. But anyway, so you'll take this, and then you can just kind of pull it down like that, and then get to the front headlights. And these, the same bulb is going to be, so this is going to be your low beam and your high beam. So on a lot of vehicles, you'd have a low beam bulb and a high beam bulb. But on these, it's just this one bulb. This is the passenger side, and then the driver's side is already in and checked it, and it works and everything. And then when you take off, it's the headlight goes right there. And when you, sorry, I'm looking for where the cover is. There it is. So this cover comes off and it just turns on there. So you'll just turn it on and then take this cover off, and then right back there, then you'll pull this down and then get your hand in there, and then the headlights, your headlights, they just so if they're like that, they just so if it's going like this for the passenger side, I don't remember if it goes up or if it goes down, but you just twist them that way. So you twist them to the left like that, and then you just pop it out, and then you can kind of feed your old headlight up through here and then unplug it right there. And the plug and everything is behind this cap. So I hope this helps you. It's a really weird problem, I think. I mean, it's kind of crazy. They both burn out at the exact same time. I mean, it wasn't like, you know, a couple days and then this, you know, the passenger one burnt, like they literally burn out at the exact same time. And I've never seen another vehicle other than this where I've had this issue of both the headlights burning out at the same time. So it's kind of strange. So that's why I wanted to make a video about it. Again, click in the description below to get the aftermarket LED bulbs that are going to be cheaper and actually work better and be better quality than the OEM ones. And you can get those off Amazon. The link is below. And please subscribe. And this is for, this right here is a GMC Acadia 2014. And it is going to be the same for multiple years. And it's going to be the same for the Saturn Outlook, the Buick Enclave, and the Chevrolet Traverse. So I hope this video helped you. If you've got any pointers or anything you think I didn't cover, list it in the comment section below. Or if your vehicle has the same issue and this video helped you fix it, let me know in the comment section below. Always love your feedback, positive or negative. Please subscribe. And until next time, hope this helped. Peace.